15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you. Business credit is credit in a business name linked to the business's employment identification number. This is credit for a business. It's not linked to the owner personally. It's also not linked to their personal Social Security number. Using business credit, a business owner can get vendor credit cards, high-limit accounts with most major retailers, fleet credit, and cash credit, including Visa and MasterCard. Get approved for business credit accounts regardless of personal credit quality. When you build business credit the right way, there is no Social Security number supplied on the application. With no SSN supplied, there is no personal credit pool. Because of this, a business owner can get high-limit business credit accounts. This is regardless of personal credit, no matter how bad it may be. Personal credit quality does not matter. Reason number 13. Startups can get business credit. Business credit is perfect for startups. Most conventional and private lenders won't lend to companies without financials and who have been open for 3 years or less. The most popular cash flow type of financing requires 1 year in business and steady revenue. Most consumer credit card approvals are based on personal income. But with business credit, even a startup can get loads of new credit without any of these items. Get business credit with no financials. Business credit is perfect for businesses that don't have or want to show financials. Because we write off all expenses in a business we can. This leaves a smaller net profit, which is what most lenders and investors look at most. Business credit doesn't look at financials or bank statements. A business even with no cash flow can be approved for high-limit cards, helping them grow their cash flow. Tax returns aren't looked at either, so even if the business shows a loss, they can still be approved. Get business credit with no collateral. Most business lending requires collateral. This is because most businesses fail, and the risk of repayment of lent money is very high. This is why most conventional lenders make it so hard to get money. They aren't set up for this type of risk. This is also why SBA requires all business assets and even personal assets be used as collateral. Business credit is one of the only ways to get money without providing collateral to offset the risk. Reason number 14. Knowledge of business credit provides a huge competitive advantage. 90% of the general population knows nothing about business credit. Now that you do, you have a huge competitive advantage. It's much easier to grow a business with access to credit. You can test advertising easier and even make mistakes without risking it all. When you have access to capital, you have a big advantage over competitors who don't. Let's recap. There are a lot of reasons business credit can help any business. It's independent of personal credit, so using it doesn't affect utilization rate. It can be built quickly. Since anyone can see business credit reports, building business credit bolsters your reputation with suppliers, customers, and even competitors. Business credit protects your personal assets and doesn't require personal guarantees. Business credit increases the value of a business, and it determines loan approval and quality. It effectively doubles your borrowing ability and has very high limits. Even startups can get it with no financials or collateral. It is a huge competitive advantage and is the best way to fund a business. Big established companies use it. Why shouldn't you? Build business credit before you really need it, and it can only help you. Contact us today to learn more about 15 reasons having business credit is a must for every successful company, and how not having it will cost you.